Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go Guitar. We have Akon here, the legendary Akon, Never Really Mattered. That's the title of this song, but I believe you recognize that name. If you're like me, listening to music in the beginning of this millennium, then you heard singles from him from the radio and so on. Smack That, perhaps you recognize that title. Lonely, Right Now, Beautiful, and the list just goes on and on. Anyway, a great artist. Now let's take a look at this song, Never Really Mattered. And as you can see here on the fretboard, no need for any capo. We have only 3 chords, so let's go into them. We're gonna start with C, and I'm gonna add one extra note in the bottom there. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and this extra note is optional. This is the standard C chord with open E. And if you want, you can also add that 3rd E instead, because that's where the melody goes, okay? So it's optional, either go with the standard C or with this added 3rd fret E string as well. Next chord will be the D, okay? And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have the E minor, and again we have this optional extra note to it. The standard E minor goes like this, and it is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The extra note added to it, if you want to, is the 3rd fret B string, alright? And if you choose to go that route, that's where the melody goes. It's very easy. It comes from the D. So what you do here from the D chord is to keep that ring finger you're using on the 3rd fret B string already to grab the D chord. You just keep that there and you go over to this E minor with this extra added notes, okay? So you have something to build upon. That's some technical extra stuff, and there you have the chords. So we're going to learn the strumming pattern to this. So if you go back to the 1st C chord, we have a pattern that is about the 2 parts, and 1 full round, both parts, sounds like this. Okay, so this is just my take on it. Obviously there's no guitar in this song, but this is how I would play it, okay? So the first part will be down, down, up. Okay. So down, down, up. Then comes the clap, down, up. So part 1 is down, down, up, and then it follows with clap, down, up. So together, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Is 1 full round. And that is exactly how you're going to start the song. You're going to play C, 1 full round. Then you go to D and play part 1, the down, down, up. And then you switch to E minor and play again the part 1, down, down, up. And then you land again on the C and play 2 full rounds. And that means it starts and ends with a C. So that is 1 chord progression round. C, 1 full round. D, part 1. E minor part 1, and C 2 full rounds. You just roll that through the entire song. Let's go. Again. Again, C1, D, E minor, C, 2. And there you have it, guys. Akon's Never Really Mattered. Very easy, guys. 3 simple chords, and that's it. So good luck with this song, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.